and we're gonna start making a pretty mesh lemon wreath. So we start with this very pretty yellow mesh. We're going to use a stripe mesh, and this is available as a kit. If you would like to purchase it, the link is in the description. And a pretty lemon ribbon, green ribbon. We're gonna add some other things, and wait till you see the pretty lemon, and we're gonna finish it off, don't you worry. So we're going to start with everything you see you will get in your kit. So we're going to start by rolling the mesh on one side and rolling on the other side, and then scrunching in the center, creating a very pretty bow tie. And we're going to do the same for both colors. If you get the kit, you will also get the clips that help you with the process. And just roll in and scrunch in the center. Once you're done all of the bows, we are going to grab our frame included in your kit, and we're going to start pipe cleaning. We're going to start from the two bottom rings and twisting the pipe cleaner on, and then we're going to place another pipe cleaner on the two top rings of the frame, and we're going to continue that all the way around. Once you're done with that, you can start inserting the mesh, and I chose to put the stripe one on the bottom, on the two bottom rings. So you attach it, you make sure that you push that mesh all the way down to the ring and twist it twice. And once you have placed it onto the pipe cleaner, then you fluff it out the way you see me do. And you're going to continue that all the way around. There are 6 of each color. Then we're going to start going in with the yellow, and those would be the 2 top rings. And I always like to mix in my mesh so that both colors show through on the top and on the bottom. And keep those pipe cleaners visible, because of course we're going to start inserting our pretty ribbons. And I could sit here and fluff and fluff. I just love to fluff, whether it's mesh or it's ribbon. So we're going to start with our ribbon. And I chose to put the lemon and the green together and overlap them, but not totally overlap them. Fold them in the center and then scrunch where you folded. And we're going to place those 2 colors together onto the gray mesh. And then you just cut off your pipe cleaners and fold them down. And you're starting to have, look how pretty it's starting to look. The colors together. So fold in half, open it back up, scrunch it together in the center, and attach. And once you place the ribbon, then you can go ahead and remove the tails of the pipe cleaners. And if you want to alternate the colors the way you see me do with the ribbon, a lemon and a green, a lemon and a green, and you keep that going all the way around. Go ahead and place your mesh as you go around. Don't cut the pipe cleaners on the yellow. mesh, not just yet. And you can just keep on adding your pretty ribbon tails. And again, if you purchase the kit, the mesh and the ribbon are already pre-measured and pre-cut for you. So really, all you need is a little bit of time to make your pretty wreath. Everything is included. And just keep mixing in all your pretty mesh so you have a very beautiful combination of colors. If you choose to purchase your own materials, then you can follow the link in the description, and you can purchase everything at Nick's Seasonal Decor, and look how pretty it's looking. And if you use my link, you have a special coupon. So now we're going to add another ribbon tail to the yellow part of the ribbon. And we're going to go all the way around and do the same to all the 6 yellow mesh. And again, once you're done, you can cut your pipe cleaners and fluff up your tails. And once you're all done with that, what I love to do is I like to go around, make sure that my tails are good, and start with my attachment. Now, of course, I had to make a pretty little bow. We could have made leaves, but that's expected, right? I just wanted to make a cute little simple bow. And again, the lemon is included in the kit, but you can also purchase the lemon wreath attachment separately. We have a couple of different sizes and a couple of different combinations. I will put the link to my shop in the description. And then we go in with the bow, which is our pretty final touch. And just a very simple, and again, my kits are great because everything is in it. You can just sit and enjoy the craft. And look how pretty. Happy wreathing!